Hey there, struggling with your Beats pill not holding a charge? In this guide, I'll walk you through how to fix Beats pill not charging, ensuring you can get back to enjoying your favorite tunes without a hitch. From simple checks to detailed solutions, we have you covered. Step 1. Inspect the charging cable and adapter. The first thing to do when your Beats pill isn't charging is to inspect the charging cable and adapter. Sometimes the issue can be as simple as a faulty cable. Here's how to check. Visual inspection. Look for any visible damage on the cable or adapter, such as fraying or bent connectors. Test with another device. Use the same cable and adapter to charge another device. If the cable and adapter work fine with other devices, they are not the problem. Try a different cable adapter. If possible, use a different compatible charging cable and adapter with your Beats pill. This will help you determine if the original ones are faulty. Step 2. Examine the charging port. Next, let's examine your Beats pill's charging port. A common reason for charging issues is debris or dirt clogging the port. Use the following steps to clean and inspect. Power off. Make sure your Beats pill is powered off before proceeding. Use a soft brush. Gently clean the charging port with a small, soft brush or a cotton swab. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. Check for foreign objects. Use a flashlight to check for any foreign objects lodged inside the. Step 3. Reset your Beats pill. If the Beats pill still isn't charging, try resetting the device. Resetting can often resolve minor software glitches that might be causing the problem. Press and hold button. Simultaneously press and hold the power button and the B button until the LED indicator flashes. Release and test. Release the buttons and then attempt to charge your Beats pill again. Step 4. Update firmware. Keeping your Beats pill firmware updated ensures it runs smoothly and eliminates bugs that may affect charging. Follow these instructions. Connect to a computer. Connect your Beats pill to a computer using the USB cable. Use the Beats Update. Open the Beats Updater software on your computer. If you don't have it installed, download it from the official Beats website. Check for updates. Follow the prompts to update your device's firmware if an update is available. Step 5. Seek professional help. If your Beats pill still won't charge after trying these steps, it might be time to seek professional help. You could have a deeper issue such as a faulty battery or internal damage. Contact support. Reach out to the official Beats support team for assistance. Visit an authorized service center. Taking your Beats pill to an authorized service center can help diagnose and fix hardware problems. Now you should have a clearer understanding of how to fix Beats pill not charging. From checking cables to updating firmware, these steps will guide you through resolving common charging issues. Remember, if these steps don't solve the problem, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. Ensuring your Beats pill works seamlessly means you can continue vibing to your favorite music without interruption. Happy listening.